welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Talia and I'm interested in showing you how to get high-end makeup looks using only affordable and drugstore products. If that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, then I would love it if you would subscribe and leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload, because I'll be here for you every single week. Today's look is this sunset half-cut crease with a little bit of glitter. This is such a fun, summery, colourful look. I mean, we're technically still in summer. I use this Revolution Forever Flawless Fire palette to create this look, and oh, just look at it, it's absolutely stunning. It's just gorgeous. So I'll let you just have a little look at the shades. So that's what it looks like inside. So let's get on with the video. If you want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching. Hi guys, so I've already primed my eyes and filled in my eyebrows, and we're going to go in with this palette right here. It is the Revolution Forever Flawless Fire palette, and this is what it looks like. It's got some gorgeous shades in there. It's a really bright, beautiful palette. First shade we're going to go in with is this yellow right here. It is called Ignite, and we're just going to take that on a big fluffy blending brush and just apply it all over our crease, and you can just really build that up. Okay, next, taking the shade Lava, which is this bright orange shade right here, we're just going to apply that with another blending brush, and we're just going to put that just below the yellow that we put down. Just start by stamping it on the place you want to put it and then blend it out. Right, we kind of lost that first shade a little bit, so I'm just going to take some more of that Ignite and then just add it over the orange. Okay, now on a smaller blending brush, we're just going to go in with the shade Red Hot. This is this bottom red shade, and we're just going to apply this just right at our crease. We don't want to go too high with this because we don't want to wash out that orange shade. Okay, so Red Hot isn't really showing up too well over that orange, so I'm just going to take this shade, which is Inferno. It's just this deep purple, and we're going to just put that on the outer V of our eyes and then just a little bit on the crease as well. Okay, so after we've blended all the colours together, we're just going to cut that half crease. To do this, I'm just going to use this teeny tiny flat brush and some concealer. I'm going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Concealer in the shade C0. This is a nice white concealer, so it's really going to make those bright colours pop. Taking some translucent powder, I'm just going to set that concealer to make sure that it doesn't crease. Okay, so once we've got our cut crease, we're going to go in with more powder. I'm going to start with just a small flat brush and taking that yellow Ignite shade, and we're just going to put this in the inner part of our eyes. I'm going to take that about a third of the way in and then stop. Then taking a bigger flat brush, we're going to take some of that Inferno shade, that dark purple colour that we used on our outer V, and we're just going to put more of that on because we lost a little bit when we were doing the concealer. So I'm just going to apply this and really feather it out into that concealer. And then taking another brush, I'm going to take some of that lava shade, that bright orange shade that we used on our crease, and we're going to apply this right in the centre of our eye. And then just using soft feathery motions, we're just going to blend that into the yellow and the purple shade. Go back in with the yellow, just to make sure everything's blended out. And then back in with Inferno. And then just using the fluffy brush from the start, we're just going to blend out that Inferno just to make sure that it blends into our crease colours. Okay, so you could absolutely leave it here, this looks great, perfect, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take this Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner, and it's just this gorgeous gold glitter liner. We're going to put that just where we cut our crease, just to really carve it out. Now really take your time with this part, you don't want to rush it. So this comes with a little brush on the end, so it's perfect for just going over that crease to carve it out. And you can make this line as thick or as thin as you want it, depending on how much glitter you want to show through. I'm just going to go for a little line, hopefully. Just like that. Can you guys see that on camera? Okay, so I don't really want to do a wing or anything for this look. I'm just going to line my eyes with the e.l.f. eyeliner pen, just this one, and I'm just going to do a thin line just so I can apply lashes later. I've got eyeliner in my eye. For mascara today I'm using Essence Lash Princess. Okay, then I'm just going to clean up all this fallout. Then I'm going to add lashes and do my face off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just done my face and added some lashes. I use these lashes for this look. I will link them down below if you are interested in which lashes they were. And also if you're ever interested in anything that I use on my face, I do link all the products that I've used in the description down below, so make sure you check that out. So to do the waterline, I don't actually have any eye pencils that would look really good with this look. I think it would look amazing with like an orange eye pencil, but I don't own one of those, so I'm just going to go in with this nude eye pencil. It is the Gosh eyeliner and it is in the shade 005 Nude. So I'm just going to apply that to my waterline. Okay, next we're going to go back into our Revolution Ice palette and we're going to take the shade Inferno first, this purple shade that we put on our outer V of our eyes. We're just going to put that right under our lower lash line and just connect it to the rest of the eye look. I do always, just side note, I always put powder to bake under my eyes when I'm doing my lower lash line shadows, just so if you do have a palette that does have quite a bit of fallout, then this really helps to catch it off so that you can just dust it all off at the end and you're not getting makeup all over your face when you've just done all your base makeup. So just a little tip there. And then just taking the same brush that we just used, we're going to go back into that lava shade and then just apply that just below it just to blend it all out. I just heard somebody outside say that we're going to be locked down after today. I really hope that's not true. Then just taking a really small blending brush, we're just going to go into Ignite, that yellow shade that we used. And then just blend all the bottom lash line out. To highlight our inner corners, we're going to go in with this shade right here. It's called, can't see it, this shade right here, it's called Smoke, and it's just a nice gold shimmery shade. Can you see that? I think it looks really nice with the gold liner that we put down earlier. Okay, now we're just going to dust off our bake and then apply some mascara to our lower lash line. For lips today, I'm just thinking very nude, very natural, so I'm going to go in with Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in number 8, Big Proposal, and then I'm going to use NYX Lingerie in the shade Lace Detail. And I'm just going to add some highlight. I am using Revolution's loose highlighter in the shade Pearl Light. So pretty. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of that highlighter and just apply it to my brow bone. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe because I'll be here for you every week with a new upload and a new makeup look using only drugstore makeup. I really enjoyed working with the Revolution Forever Flawless Fire palette today. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I adore these palettes. I've got so many of them and they have so many, and they are so pigmented, so creative and colourful. You could literally do so many looks with them. You'll probably see me using a lot more of the Revolution Forever Flawless collection on this channel because I adore them. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Thank you so much. Bye.